Welcome to newsreel number 17. This week's video is all about profiling beds. Profiling beds are becoming more and more popular within care homes due to the many benefits they can bring to the residents. The industry is set to grow to around 5 billion by 2028. Toby will now be giving you a few tips on the best profiling bed positions for your residents.
Today I just wanted to go through profiling beds and the positions that you can have them in that might be most comfortable for your residents. The best bed position is one that takes into account the natural characteristics of the skeleton. One such position is the zero gravity position. The head and foot are raised slightly higher than the hips. This position can relieve pressure on joints and reduce the chance of pressure on the sciatic nerve, relieving sciatica pain. Positioning the feet and legs higher can help residents suffering with heart conditions or blood pressure problems. If this position puts pressure on the chest, or the resident has trouble breathing, try also raising the chest and head until the resident is comfortable. Elevating the head of the bed by about 45 degrees can help with breathing problems or chest congestion.
Thanks for watching, and head over to our website to view our full range of profiling beds.